Welcome in all my friends, Lazy Retired Granny here. Guess what? I have an unboxing and it's a diamond art. But where did I purchase it from? Well, let me tell you, for everyone in Oregon, Washington, and Idaho, I think that's where these stores are located. Yeah, rush to BiMart. They have diamond art. Yeah, or powered by DiamondDotz. So I went and they they had a decent amount of diamond paintings there. They were mostly the smaller ones, the partials. I mean, all the other ones were partial. This was the only one that's a full drill canvas. And it just happens that it is Multnomah Falls, which is in Oregon. And I have been there. And I did another canvas that was Multnomah Falls also. However, that one did not show the top of the falls coming down, has the bridge, and then coming down into the little pool area there. So, yeah. So I am just super excited to unbox this. Now, I have to give credit due. I was talking to my cousin, Penny, yesterday, and she said, I'm so excited. I was in at BiMart and I saw some of the diamond paintings that you do. And she said, I snapped some pictures and she sent them to me. And I said, oh yeah. I said, that's DiamondDotz. And she said, yeah. She said, they carry them now. So today I zipped down there and I bought this. Now, in the BiMart that I went to, we have two of them here in Salem, but I went to the Kaiser one for you that live in the Salem area, and I know there's a couple of you. I went to the one in Kaiser. So, there's the other one over on Lancaster, but they did have one more of these in stock. So let us open it up and take a gander. Yeah, I am super excited to take a look at this. And boy, they taped this up pretty good. There we go. So, gonna see it with me. Okay, got the drills. Okay, so let's take a look and see what comes in this. Thank you so much, Penny. I hope you watch this video. Okay, so let's see what's in the kit. Comes in a nice plastic bag. Okay, so we've got a clear plastic pen with a single placer. And I'm going to bring this down just a little bit while I'm showing you this. Okay. And we get some baggies. Lots of baggies, not sure how many, but yep, there's the baggies. We'll just put the baggies back in the bag. And you get the wax that comes from DiamondDotz. And make sure that you take off this cover when you're using the wax. And you get the comfort grip that goes onto the pen like that. And that helps cushion your fingers when you're diamond painting. And then you get a gray tray with the spout. Alrighty. So we'll set that aside. So let's rip open to this canvas. And I think with BiMart, you can order online. However, it cannot be shipped. You can pick it up at whatever BiMart store you want to pick it up at. All right, so let's take a look at this. And this is by Leisure Arts. And I'm going to put the drills up there so this doesn't roll. Alright, and let's see what we get in here. We get instruction sheets, or a instruction sheet in a couple different languages, it looks like. Alright, so let's look at the painting here. Boy, this was rolled tightly. I'm going to try to roll it the other direction. Just 1 minute. Some of the crinkling out. See if it'll lay down for us. Okay, that's better. Yeah, they always have the nice heavy canvases. Doesn't take, much to make it lay flat. And this also has this border around it that you do not diamond paint. All right, so let's take a look at our ledger here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do it on this side because I think this is going to be a little easier for me. Okay. Well, maybe. Okay. There we go. Got it under control. Yeah, I think I'm going to just... There we go. All right. So we have got numbers, symbols, letters. And how many colors do we have? Lots of colors. 39 of them. And these are going to be darker because it's landscape. Okay, so let us look at, let's look at the darker area here and see what it's looking like. It looks pretty clear, doesn't it? Easy to read. Probably have to have a light pad underneath it though. Yeah, so that looks good. All right, now I'm gonna try to get you up here a little bit so we can take a look at the canvas. Nice. Yeah, Multnomah Falls. This is the top of the falls. Comes down and then it comes into this little pool area. And you can hike up here, or this side, and get to this bridge and cross this bridge. And you can look down or up at the falls here. This is really nice to hike up there. And then you can also keep hiking up here and go to the top of the falls. And then there's a bunch of hiking that's back in here. I've done that, and it is just beautiful. But plan on doing, yeah, it's an all-day excursion, believe me. And you do get worn out, and do not go on a hot day. Because it is uphill and then downhill. And this is really, I can't remember how many feet that is, Let's see if it tells me here. This is really built up. When I first went, oh man, back in, when the kids were little, or, it was, people would picnic down here, and then, they would swim in this. I don't know that you can still do that or not. Okay, how long is a hike of Multnomah Falls? 2.2 mile hike with 700 feet of elevation to gain the top of the falls. Or a difficult 5.4 mile loop to some other falls and 1,600 feet of elevation gain. So, yeah. So it's definitely beautiful. If I were to Oregon, I would highly recommend, going to see that. But now, like I said, the last time I was there, this had really built up into a touristy place. And yeah, it's got all kinds of stuff with it now. So, and it is the granddaddy of Oregon's fall. It says it's plummeting 620 feet in 2 different sections. It's the most visited natural recreation site in the Pacific Northwest, with more than 2 million visitors each year. Yeah. So if you want to know more about it, just, Google it. All right. That's it on Multnomah Falls. Okay, so let's take a look at these drills and see what we have. So we'll just go through them real quick. Got some pretty yellows. And DiamondDotz, of course, are always really nice. Okay, here's some a little bit darker colors. Oops, sorry. Round drills. Whew. Oh, excuse me. I told you my whipping check. I've just been sneezing all day. And it continues. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. Beautiful. Ah, wow. I know there's some more diamond paintings out there that has some Oregon scenery to it. I need to research that and see if I can't get my hands on, some more Oregon stuff, because we do have a beautiful state and a lot of nice places to visit. And yeah, so, but let me know what you think of this one. Now, I have never seen this at Hobby Lobby. I don't go to Joann's very much, so I have no idea if they carry this, or if this will be, if they're doing things exclusive to different stores. And I know when I was at BiMart, they said that this was a new product. So they must have just started carrying them. I'm going to assume. I don't know that for fact, so don't quote me on that. So, yeah, so what do you think? Let me know in the comments. So I'm getting quite the collection now of DiamondDotz. But I do love DiamondDotz. DiamondDotz was one of the first diamond painting that I did. I've done several of them. Never had an issue at all. This particular one, oh, did I tell you the size? The size is 16 by 20 or 40.64 by 50.8 centimeters. And I do believe that that is the drilling size. Let me just get my tape measure and see. Okay, the drilling area starts here. And that is, yep, that is the 40.64 centimeters by 50.8 centimeters, or 16 by 20 inches. That is what you diamond paint. Oh, that's good. So, yeah, let me know what you think of this beautiful, beautiful canvas. I am just really, really going to enjoy doing this when I get around to it. But yeah, once again, 39 beautiful colors. Be beautiful for framing. Look at that beautiful blue sky. Yeah. So I'm going to get off of here and get this done because the eclipse, well, the partial eclipse here is supposed to start. So I want to go out. It's cloudy, so I doubt very much if I'm going to be able to see very much. But I got to get my glasses on and get that dusting done. Okay, so thanks for stopping by, and I will chat with you later.